This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the Friday edition of the Carolina weather video here for this 19th day of December. It is another very, very foggy start to the day around our region. And again, I know this is probably tough to see on the video, but we're looking at many spots with a quarter-mile or less visibility, all the way from the southern Piedmont on up through the Triad over toward the Triangle, and even the coastal parts of the Carolinas, even up into the mountains, seeing some of that pretty dense fog this morning. Now, not much precipitation around our area, but we do have a very significant winter storm taking place this morning. We have a good bit of snow still occurring, rather, as I'm cutting this video over parts of Iowa and the northern Illinois, much of Michigan and Wisconsin. South of that, you have this layer of ice over parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. That's a big deal there. And this is going to be spreading into the New England states today. So if you happen to have travel plans anywhere from, say, Pennsylvania on up through New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, there's going to be some big-time travel delays for you due to that winter storm pulling on through. Temperature-wise today, very mild start to the day across the southeast. A lot of 60s in Texas, Louisiana, up into Mississippi and Alabama. A lot of 50s here in the Carolinas. But if you're looking for a change to colder weather, hang on, it's coming. It's going to be here by the beginning of next week. Let's talk about the model data here. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. There goes your area of low pressure through Ohio. Significant winter storm on the north side of that low. Now, there's a cold front trailing from that. You probably won't even really notice it today. Now, what we will see is I do believe some peaks of sunshine today. And that will allow for a very warm day. I think upper 60s, even some lower 70s for high temperatures this afternoon. Also, fairly breezy conditions out there. And I can't rule out a shower as that front pushes through, but most of the energy with that low pressure is off to our north. All right, now this is all the way out to 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, Saturday evening. Our next system pressing in, and the timing on the modeling is not in good agreement, but in general, we'll see for our Saturday forecast, clouds on the increase. And by late afternoon, that chance of some rain rolling in. And if not by late afternoon, then certainly by Saturday evening, that chance of rain begins to roll in. This is 1 a.m. Sunday. The rain settling into our area. 7 a.m. Sunday, still a good bit of rain around. But notice a pretty good cold front beginning to press through the region. That's some very, very cold air behind the front. So that's 7 a.m. Sunday. This is 1 p.m. Sunday. That front pressing through the eastern Carolinas, so any rain will end by probably midday Sunday. And then the colder air takes hold. It'll probably be a little breezy Sunday afternoon as that cold air advection kicks in. And it is going to be a couple of pretty cold days from Monday and Tuesday. This is Monday morning, and we're probably looking at low temperatures Monday morning in the low to mid-20s for much of the Piedmont regions. A lot of sunshine all day Monday, but highs will struggle to make it up into the lower 40s. And we might even see some spots in the Piedmont staying in the upper 30s for our high temperatures on Monday afternoon. Tuesday morning, probably the coldest morning next week, and that's when we could see some upper teens in spots, certainly lower 20s. Very cold start to Tuesday, and another chilly day Tuesday overall. Highs, again, probably it's a struggle for the highs to make it Tuesday up into the low 40s. All right, Christmas Eve. This is 7 p.m. Christmas Eve. The next system swinging in, as we've been talking about. It looks like a rain-producing system Christmas Eve. Now, the timing is slowed down just a bit, and the way the model runs are shaping up this morning, the rain chance would be from really late afternoon Christmas Eve into the night of Christmas Eve, but it still looks like the system is gone by Christmas Day. That's 7 a.m. Christmas morning, and if that's correct, we're looking at a cool morning, a dry morning, and it'll be dry throughout the day Christmas Day if current trends hold. All right, so that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a great Friday and a great weekend, and God bless.